everyone, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to day 6 of Kawaii Christmas. You guys are so awesome and being so supportive with these series, and today I'm going to be making this super duper cute and awesome cloud slime. It's not cloud slime, it's like icy slime, which is a mixture of butter slime and cloud slime. So yeah, and also I want to give a huge shout out to a lot of people, so let's get on with the shout outs. Okay, so your shoutouts of the day goes to Obi Forever, Cindy Naget, Tilnisa Jalil, and Art Handwork, to Sushi. She was super sweet and always is super sweet as well. Laura S, Caitlin Cat, It's Always Emma. She was the sweetest person on earth, literally, let me tell you. Chiquilla Pony, and also tons of amazing people, everybody who commented. So first off, I grabbed these little water beads or Orbeez. I just cut open a stress ball. It sounds very tragic, but I did it, and just emptied it out in a little cup. You can see them a little better here, and you just need to soak them in water if you got new ones, or just take them out of the stress ball. So now you're gonna make some basic slime. It's super simple. All you need is some PVA glue, white glue. I'm using Elmer's glue all, and after that, I'm gonna just pop in some activator. It's super simple. It's just 1 cup of borax. My throat sounds bad. Ha ha ha. Very usual. With a teaspoon of borax powder, just mix it together and just pop it in your little glue, mix it together, and it should start pulling away. So it's starting to pull from the sides of the bowl. You're just going to keep on adding activator. And I realized I made this look literally 3 seconds long. I know I'm shouting, but I had to make it 15 seconds long, so sorry. Okay. Now I'm just going to knead the slime and keep adding borax, and that's what I'm going to do. Yeah. This is how the slime turned out. It's terrible. Not the slime. The clip is terrible, but yeah. I didn't have an Orbeez crusher, so I just used my blender. Yeah. So I just added the Orbeez, and now I'm going to mix it together. Now I just added in some tissue. I know I sound crazy, but it makes the slime so buttery and nice and cool. I didn't have paper clay, so I added this, and it's so soft now. So totally do this. Yeah. So I just added in 6 tissues in total. These are just like regular thin tissues, and it makes it so buttery and spreadable. So clearly I did it, and I don't regret it. More tissue, and just keep adding 6 tissues. I know, I don't know what to talk about. Like, literally, tell me. Question of the day. Do you guys like my videos and Christmas editing, and what all do you like about my videos? Yeah. Give me feedback. So I'm just opening up some kinetic sand, and I'm just going to pop it into my slime and mix it together. This video is on the longer side, so I'm sorry. But yeah. I'm mixing it together, and sorry for that super fast thingy. I literally just voiced over the whole thing, and then I realized I needed to speed it up. Yeah.